So, dear kids, today we will do keywords, word meanings, and question answer from the poem Dreams. And you all know that poet of this poem is C.F. Alexander. So, let's start keywords. First is beyond. What is first? Beyond. Beyond. Beyond means on the other side of. Second is mountain. 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 Third, boulder. 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 Fourth is western. 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 Fifth is solder. What is fifth? Solder. Shoulder. Solder. Sixth is beholder. Beholder. Beholder means the person who looks. Beholder. Seventh is streams. Streams means small rivers. Streams. Streams. Eighth is fairyland. What is eighth? Fairyland. Fairy. Fairy. Land. Ninth is knights. Knights. Knights means the nobleman who fights for the king. जो किंग के लिए फाइट करते हैं. 10th is masses. MASSES. What is 10th? Masses. Masses means in large number. 11th is castles. 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 Castles means killa. 12th is rubies. What is 12th? Rubies. 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 Now, let's do word meaning. First is beyond. We have done the spelling of this word. BEYOND. Beyond. Beyond means on the other side of. What is the meaning of beyond? On the other side of. से परे, दूसरी तरफ. Second is boulder. 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 Boulder means very large rock. What is the meaning of boulder? Very large rock. Third is pine. What is third? Pine. Pine means a tall forest tree with leaves like needles. एक ट्री जिसके लीव्स कैसे होते हैं? Like needles. A tall forest tree with leaves like needles. Needles means सुई, जिसके लीव्स क्या होते हैं? नुकीले. Fourth is crowns. 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 Crowns means क्या होता है वैसे तो? जो ताज होता है जो राजा पहनते हैं, that is called a crown. And the meaning of crown here is covers the top. यानी कि जो टॉप है उसको कवर करना. मीन्स द जैसे पाइन के जो ट्री हैं वो जो माउंटेन है उसके टॉप को क्या किए हुए हैं? कवर किए हुए हैं. एंड दे आर लुकिंग लाइक क्राउन्स. सो क्राउन्स मीन्स हेयर कवर्स द टॉप. And crowns means mukut. Fifth is beholder. What is fifth? Beholder. Beholder means the person who looks. Sixth is castles. CASTLE, castles. Castles means किला, यानी कि a large building with a fort where a king lives. What is the meaning of castles? A large building with a fort, एक बहुत बड़ी बिल्डिंग विद अ फोर्ट, जिसके अंदर क्या होता है, किला होता है, वेयर अ किंग लिव्स, जहाँ पर एक किंग क्या करता है, रहता है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कासल्स? अ लार्ज बिल्डिंग विद अ फोर्ट वेयर अ किंग लिव्स. Seventh is in masses. What is seventh? In masses means in large numbers. Eighth is इन मासेस मीन्स इन लार्ज नंबर, यानी कि बहुत बड़ी संख्या में, बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में. एट्थ इज नोबल. नोबल मीन्स बिलोंगिंग टू अ फैमिली ऑफ अ हाई सोशल रैंक. बिलोंगिंग टू अ फैमिली, एक फैमिली से बिलोंग करना. कैसी फैमिली से? ऑफ हाई सोशल रैंक, जिसका सोशल रैंक, सोशल स्टेटस कैसा होता है, हाई होता है. नाइट्स. नाइट्स मीन्स नोबल मैन, वो पर्सन जो जो हाई फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं, वो पर्सन हु फाइट्स फॉर अ किंग. नाइट्स मीन्स द पर्सन हु फाइट्स फॉर द किंग, जो राजा के लिए फाइट करते हैं, योद्धा. फेयर. फेयर मीन्स क्या होता है, ब्यूटीफुल. फेयर का मीनिंग क्या होता है, ब्यूटीफुल भी होता है, और फेयर मीन होता है एक तरह से सही, राइट. क्लियर. और फेयर का मीनिंग वैसे क्या होता है, जैसे मेला भी होता है. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फेयर हेयर? फेयर मीन्स ब्यूटीफुल. लेडीज फेयर है ना, द नोबल नाइट्स एंड द लेडीज फेयर. फेयर मीन्स ब्यूटीफुल. 11th is pass. Pass means a road through a mountain. What is the meaning of pass? A road through a mountain. Now rhyming words. Rhyming words means the words that have similar sound. Clear? जैसे line, line, pine, mine. Line, pine, mine. Second is boulder. Boulder का क्या है? Soldier, beholder. Rare, air, fair. Glasses, masses, passes. Line, pine या mine. Boulder, soldier या beholder. Rare, air, fair. Fourth, glasses, masses or passes. So these are rhyming words. Dear kids, now we will do question answer. First is name 3 things that are between the poet and the fairy land. So what is the question? उन 3 things के बारे में बताना है that are between the poet and the fairy land, जो पोइट और उसकी फेरी लैंड के बीच में है. So the answer is the three things between the poet and the fairy land are the mountain line. First is mountain line. Second, the grey stone and the boulder. And third one is the growth of dark green pine. What are 3 things between the poet and the fairy land? The mountain line, the grey stone and the boulder, and third is the growth of dark green pine. 3 things that are between the poet and the fairy land: the mountain line, the grey stone and the boulder, and third one is the growth of dark green pine. Second question is what are compared to rubies? रूबीज से किसको कंपेयर किया गया है? You all have done the poem ना? You all have read that poem. So what is in this poem? Fruits are like rubies rare. So किसको कंपेयर किया गया है? What are compared to rubies? Rubies से किसको compare किया गया है? Answer is the fruits in the fairyland. The fruits in the fairyland are compared to rubies. The fruits in the fairyland are compared to rubies. So rubies से किसको compare किया गया है? जो fairyland के fruits हैं उनको. Clear? Now make sentence. Our first sentence is beyond and second is fair. Beyond. What is the meaning of beyond? On the other side of. So first is beyond. My house is beyond that bridge. My house is beyond that bridge. Yeah, he is beyond my thinking. Clear? You can make any sentence. Second is fair. Fair mean, what is meaning of fair here? Beautiful. And fair means क्या होता है? Right भी होता है ना, सही. So and fair means also visit to a fair means mela. So you can make any sentence according to its meaning. So fair, she has blue eyes and fair hair. Clear? Or this is a fair judgment. Yeah, I went to a fair. So dear kids, you will do this work in your reader notebook and you will learn also that the work which we have done today. So I hope you have clearly understood the poem and its question answer. Okay.